Hello team. So this is a Dunjo clone application which I'm going to show you. Here you can check banner. It will come under the stores category, and you can check like best stores nearby us, most popular item. You can easily add in cart or you can buy it. Currently, this is demo account. That's why we had not set up any data here, proper data. That's why it's coming like that. But we will set up all types of data whenever you go for buy. Okay, so here you can update in your cart. Here you can check your cart value. You can check notifications. Then we have a like profile, my order, address, languages we have. So this solution is already working with many languages. So here you can set up your own languages, coupons, help and support, live chat, refund policy, join as a delivery man, join as a store. So user can easily register yourself like store or delivery man. Okay, they can sign in as a user as well. Okay, so here you can check category, favorite stores. Okay, here you can check like other types of here stores data. Yeah, here you can set up your ads, banner. Here you can set up your pages. Now let me show you the admin panel. So this is the admin panel here. Here you can check all types of items. So how much item we had created, order, how much stores we have, customers we have, unassigned orders and all. You can check this data. Top seller stores, most popular stores, selling item, rated item and all. Here are multiple modules. Okay, so currently we select this module. That's why like orders connected with this module, item connected with this module, store connected with module. So that data will come. Like if we select restaurant, so all data will update according to reference module. So here we work for grocery, restaurant, any e-commerce solution or any many more. So here you can select multiple and then you can work with them. Okay, here you can check then sales. One more thing was there. Here you can set up zones. Like if you are working in Noida, so you can select Noida only. If you work in Pune, then you can select Pune only. So this is the area control. So here you can set up your own area where you need to work. So only that area your customer can work with our solution. Can easily buy or easily use that. Here you can check reports and all. Then we have sales. Here you can manage sales. Here like stores, categories, search by product. Here you can search billing section, and then you can place a order on POS options. Then we have order. Here you can check order data, order refund data. You can check all types of order refunds. So if any request was there, that data will come here. Then we have flash sale. So here you can add flash sale like title, admin commission, store commission or validity. Then we have a category. So here we can set up multiple we can run camping here, basic camping. Sorry, I just read wrong. So here you can check camping. So here you can set up camping like we are running this deal, we are running that deal. So these types of camping we can set up here. Here are some item camping which you can update. Then we have banners. So here you can set up banners according to your zone and all. Like in that zone, that types of food was more you can say like in indoor side or like Gujarat side. Lots of people like jalebi and fafda. So these types of item you can add here. You can add that types of banner in different zone. Here you can check other banner. You can set up coupons we have, cashback we have. So let me show you cashback options. Here you can like title, customer, cashback type, amount, premium purchase, maximum purchase, which can that push notification. Then we have advertisement. So here you can add advertisement here. You can, if any user request for any ad, that data will come here. Here you can check all types of ad. Then we have category. So here you can create multiple food category. So this is the grocery types category. So here we can set up grocery related category like vegetables we have and many more. So here we can add. Here we can add subcategory. In easily we can import or we can export the data. Then we have attributes. So like there are lots of types of things like sizes we have, colors we have. These stuff attributes we can set up, units we can set up. Here like product setup. So here you can create product. You just need to add names, description, image, and store details like show, select, category select, and all. Here you can add product price, attributes, and all. Then here you can check all types of product which is already live. Their data will come here. Low stock list. So if stock list is below the we already set up like how much low stock we set up, like uh, one product was there current quantity is 100. So if it's below than 10, then it will come here. Then you can easily restore, or you can collect, or you can buy other stock. Here you can check product gallery, reviews was there. Here you can easily import, export. Then this is a multi-vendor solution, so your user can register as a store as well. So that request will come here, so you can approve that, and you can add manually as well if you want. Like here you need to add some data like name, address, logo. Here you can select in which location he or she is working. Currently we had not set up any Google Map API, that's why it's showing, but we will set up Google Map API for you, so all types of live location will work. Okay, you see here you can select zones, in which zone we are working. In those zones you can work. Tags are there, owner details, so here you can assign any ID password to them. With that they can manage here, like store list, recommended store. Here you can check easily, or bulk import export. There you can change to any restaurant, so many things was same like sales, order, camping, and all. Okay, here you can check we are working with restaurant, so restaurant will come here. Okay, then let me show you other details, user details. Here you can check all types of user overview, customer, delivery man, employee, statics, delivery man statics, and here you can check delivery man live location. After that, for delivery man, here we can set up vehicle category, add delivery man. So here you can set up delivery man here. You can select zone, vehicles, and all, like in which zone he or she working here. Here you can check delivery man request. So if any request come from front end, the data will come here. Here you can check delivery man list. You can apply, you can edit or delete. Let me show you. I approve that. So it will come here. Okay, you can view, edit, you can check review. Then we have a customers. So customer data will come here. You can view, edit, delete. Here you can check wallet. Here you can add fund as well if you want to add fund. So fund will come here. Okay, customer wallet, add fund. Customer wallet is disabled. So okay, so we already disabled that option, that's why it's not coming. Okay, so here you can check other options like repos, bonus. Then we have a loyalty points, subscribe, and all. Then we can set up multiple roles. With those roles you can easily manage lots of things. It's like you can assign these roles to many users for using your solution. Like any manager was there, salesperson was there, you can manage that. Here you can create multiple employee here, or you can just assign that role to them, or with those permissions, which role permission we assign that role, we can that can manage, or that can easily use that. Then we have transaction reports, so like withdrawal request or other report like store, delivery man, collect cash, withdrawal method, all types of board will come here. Then we have some types of setting which I'm going to show you. First, let me show you zone. Here you can set up zone. You can select any types of box, and then in this area your service will run. So here like that. So here you can make a circle or make a box on around of Pune, around of in Delhi. So that area will cover, and you can work with that. Okay, after the adding zone, here you can select like delivery charges, delivery charge message, choose business model. In means which business model, like restaurant and demo, so we can set up different price. Then we have a module setups. So which modules we had created, that data will come here. You can create multiple modules as well, what modules you want to add. Okay, then we have business settings. Let me show you. Here you can add settings like latitude, longitude, time zone, currency, Okay, these are features: default commission rate for delivery man, who will confirm order like delivery man or store, auto notification for admin and all. Here you can check. Additional charge was there, payment like we can do COD or digital payment, shipping charges we have, and many more. And then we have order settings. We have enable extra packaging charge if there. And then we have refund requests, which you can manage that. Stores we have, it's like can a store cancel order or not. Store self-registration, product gallery was there, and many more things was there. You can easily use that. And then related to delivery man, some data we have for our customers, so we can enable customer wallet, so user can easily add money in wallet, and then they can easily complete the transaction. Then we have a priority setup, so here you can check priority. Language we have, so here you can set up language, landing page, so you can set up many things in here. Then just other things we have, automatic message we have, so here you can set up automatic message and all. Then we have subscription packages here, so here you can add subscription package, subscription list. Currently is under development, that's why I'm not briefing more here, but you can use as free trial period and all. Page in social media we have, so here you can change anything like social media page. So if you want to change any content, then you can change content. Here you can use gallery. Third party we are using third party app as well, like payment method, SMS, so see you two-factor, and MES 91 Maximo. We are using these types of SMS API here. Then we have mail configuration, we are using SMTP here. Map API, so here you can set up your Google Map API. Social login we have, like Google login, Facebook login. ReCAPTCHA we have, 5 years OTP we have, storage connection we have, and then we have some types of login settings. So here you can manage customer login, so like manual login was there, OTP login was there, social media login was there, verification we have, so which type of verification we are using, manual login, page URL we have, and React site, email template we can use that, this types of thing easily. Okay, here you can change language, or you can set up multiple languages as well. So I already show you all the things here. So if you have any doubts, query, then you can contact with me or with us. We will help you in that. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.